The spotted sandpiper, so serene and sweet, perched on a rock, basking in the heat. Its feathers a mix of brown and white, blending with nature, a beautiful sight. The gentle breeze, a soft caress, as it watches the water, no need to stress. The scene is peaceful, a tranquil song, nature's beauty where it belongs. The spotted sandpiper in its element, enjoying the simple joys content. With water lapping and birds chirping near, a perfect afternoon, nothing to fear. So let's take a moment to pause and see the beauty of nature so wide.